And this is what I've been calling arrogance. And the arrogance is both civic. When you do civic, you take people to court. You take even the cultural leadership to court, and you think you're big-headed. Then the other arrogance that I see, which you're also exhibiting now, is you think you have the moral authority to poke your nose into intra-land issues within Acholi. If, let's say, an elder in Acholi acquires land, they actually know how they handle their business. You don't understand our customs. Wow. You don't have any moral right to poke your nose into the business affairs of how Professor Ogeng acquired, how another person acquired. That is none of your business.
No, but
how are we in Uganda? Listen, respect your line that you've come and deal with your business as it is. Don't poke your nose in other things.
Aren't you in Uganda? We have a right to inquire.
Aren't you in Uganda? You have rights to inquire.
Did you come from Acholi?
I'm not intimidating anybody.
Did you come from Acholi?
I don't know what.
Did you come from Acholi?
He doesn't have the moral authority. You don't have a moral authority.
Aren't you in Uganda?
You don't have the moral authority.
Did you come from Acholi?
Listen, my brother.
Listen.
You don't have the moral authority to question how intra-land issues are handled.
No, we have.
Because you don't understand the custom. Do you understand our custom?
Do you understand? By the time you are coming to Uganda, were you in Uganda?
I have to, listen. Let me answer you. When I'm in Buganda, I am a tenant of the Kabaka. I must behave. Listen, you must respect the values of the Buganda kingdom.
So let me ask,
you don't come to my house and you...
The truth, the lies, and politics.